Ever feel like airports are subtly manipulating you? From the moment you step inside, everything, your path, your purchases, is carefully designed to steer your actions and spending. But today, I'm pulling back the curtain on 11 insider flight tricks that airlines and airports keep under wraps. These are game-changing tips most travelers miss, but once you know them, you'll never travel the same way again. Stick around until the end for tip number 11. It reveals why you should rethink stashing your bag under the seat in front of you, despite what you're told. Trust me, you'll want to hear this, and the tips leading up to it could transform your travel experience. Here's a wallet-friendly hack even seasoned travelers overlook. Uber, Lyft, and taxis often slap on a hefty airport pickup surcharge, anywhere from $4 to $15, depending on the location. Add long wait times, crowded pickup zones, and extra airport fees, and your cheap ride gets pricey fast. Smart travelers dodge this by hopping on a free hotel shuttle to a nearby airport hotel like Hilton, Marriott, or Radisson. These shuttles are meant for guests, but no one checks. Once you're at the hotel, order your ride share from there. No surcharge, less chaos, and often a quicker pickup since you're off airport grounds. Hotel lobbies are also safer and better lit than sketchy airport rideshare zones. Next time, check nearby hotels before you land to save money, time, and stress. Airlines won't tell you this one. Long security lines are a traveler's nightmare, but did you know some airports let you skip them for free? It's called a reserved security time slot, and it's a hidden gem. The day before your flight, visit your airport's website, pick a time window for security, and get a QR code emailed to you. At the airport, scan it at a dedicated lane and sail through. No endless queues. Airports like London Heathrow, Amsterdam Schiphol, Orlando, Seattle, Brisbane, and Sydney offer this, but it's barely advertised. Why? The fewer people who use it, the better it works. It's like a secret VIP pass for anyone. No TSA pre-check or business class needed. Search your airport's website and reserve security time to see if it's available. 2 minutes of planning can save you 20 in line. This trick is so simple it feels like cheating. When you hit the security checkpoint, most people drift to the right, human nature, especially in countries where we drive on the right or are right-handed. Result? Right side lanes get jammed, but head to the leftmost lane, and you'll often find it nearly empty, even during peak hours. Airport staff and frequent flyers back this up. People flock to the first lane they see, usually right, but the left gets ignored, especially by tired or newbie travelers. Next time, scan all checkpoints and go left. It's a free, no-hassle way to shave 10 or 15 minutes off your wait, no apps or memberships required. The best hacks make you look like a pro without costing a dime. Ever stood at baggage claim, watching everyone else's bags go by, wondering if yours is lost? Airlines misplace millions of bags annually, and their tracking systems are often slow and outdated. Don't rely on them. Instead, use an AirTag or Samsung Smart Tag inside your suitcase, tucked in a pocket or under clothes. With your phone, you can pinpoint your bag's location, still at the departure airport, stuck on the tarmac, or already at baggage claim. One traveler even located her lost bag in an airport corner using her tag, helping staff retrieve it. For about $30, it's a travel game changer, way more reliable than airline systems. Stop stressing and start tracking. Ever notice how airports feel oddly manipulative? That's intentional. Post-security, soft carpets create a cozy vibe, signaling your brain to relax and spend. Bright lights highlight luxury stores, while dimmer ones nudge you toward food courts. Some airports even use scents like fresh coffee or citrus to boost your mood and loosen your wallet. Duty-free shops are strategically placed so you can't avoid them, and narrow walkways funnel you past high-profit displays. It's all engineered to influence your behavior and spending. Next time, stay aware of these subtle cues, carpets, lighting, scents, and make deliberate choices instead of falling for the trap. Your suitcase wheels roll through some nasty places. Parking lots, airport bathrooms, sticky terminal floors, even the plane's underbelly. Then you drag them into your hotel or home, spreading bacteria, grime, and tarmac oil. Most people sanitize their hands or tray tables, but forget their wheels. Keep disinfectant wipes in your carry-on's outer pocket, and give your wheels a quick swipe after each flight before loading them into your car or home. Bonus tip. If you're traveling with kids or sitting on the floor, don't lean against your bag's wheels. You'll be shocked at what they've picked up. 30 seconds of cleaning can prevent a lot of grossness. Duty-free shops seem like a steal. Tax-free, exclusive items, great souvenirs. But don't be fooled. Prices for alcohol, perfume, makeup, or snacks can be higher than at regular stores. Airports know you're in a spending mood post-security, so they inflate prices or push exclusive bundles that are hard to compare. Before buying, scan barcodes or check prices online against local retailers. That perfume might be $20 cheaper at home, or that whiskey set could be a clearance item elsewhere. Duty-free can have deals, but always price check to avoid overpaying at 30,000 feet. Struggling to rest on flights? Skip sleeping pills and try this natural combo, Valyrian root and ASMR. Valyrian, a gentle herbal remedy, comes as tablets or tea and calms anxiety, perfect for pre-flight jitters. Pair it with ASMR, those soothing whisper videos or sounds like rain or tapping. Take Valyrian 30 or 60 minutes before takeoff, pop in headphones and play your favorite ASMR playlist. Your body relaxes naturally, helping you doze off, even in economy. No grogginess, no side effects, just peaceful sleep. Nervous flyers, frequent travelers, and even flight attendants swear by this affordable, effective hack. You've been told to put your name and address on luggage tags in case your bag gets lost. Bad idea in 2025? Your address signals your home is empty while you're away, inviting theft. Rare, but it happens. Instead, use just your name, phone number, and email. That's enough for airlines or Good Samaritans to reach you without exposing your location. Better yet, use a QR code or tracking service tag for secure contact info. Keep your personal details private, especially when your bag's traveling solo. Want a smoother trip? Choose early morning flights. Airports are like dominoes. One delay can disrupt dozens of flights, especially in busy hubs. Early flights, often the first out, use planes that arrived overnight, meaning less chance of delays, shorter lines, and calmer airports. You'll take off and land on time, making connections easier and reducing jet lag. Plus, early flights are often cheaper, especially midweek, and morning skies mean less turbulence or weather issues. Waking up at 4 a.m. isn't fun, but it beats a 2-hour tarmac delay. You're told to slide your bag under the seat in front of you, but it's a risky move. First, hygiene. That seat's carpet is a germ magnet. Vomit, food, bathroom bacteria, and shoe grime from countless passengers. Your bag's pressed right against it. Second, theft. On long-haul or overnight flights, sneaky passengers can slide bags out from under sleeping travelers. Valuables and outer pockets are easy targets. Third, items fall out. Sunglasses, passports, you name it. Often mistaken for stolen when they're just lost under the seat. Finally, it cramps your legroom, making long flights miserable. Instead, pack a slim tote with essentials: charger, meds, earbuds, water, for under the seat and store your main bag overhead. Or secure your bag to the seat frame with a clip or carabiner to prevent theft or spills. This little-known tip could save your valuables at 35,000 feet. If you're loving these hacks, hit like and subscribe for more travel secrets. Drop a comment with your favorite airport. Some feel like mini cities, others like chaos zones. What's yours? See you next time.